welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a half cut crease, and I'm starting with the shade Rachuelle in my crease and just blending that in.
Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover, she get it done.
Now I'm going in with burnt orange to blend out the edges of Rachuelle.
Looking for a sister, show my lover, she get it done. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy.
I'm going in with Venetian red and just blending that into my crease and adding as much color until I'm satisfied. And I'm also trying these new eyeshadow brushes that I got from Christian by Hadassah. I think that's how you say it, but yeah. So far so good. I haven't used all of the brushes, but yeah.
Sweet home, when money and love is sweet. Papa story. So brother man go got the liver. Call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Far.
Now we're going in with Zim from the Jacqueline Guido eyeshadow palette and blending that into our crease in circular motions.
She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover, yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance.
To cut my crease, I'm using a flat brush and the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. And I'm just going to cut my crease slightly above my actual crease because I have hooded eyes.
Give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance, yeah, yeah. Oh, sport check, yeah. Music for the garden. Oh baby, pour me one time, only one time.
And now I'm going back in with Love on the end of where I just cut my crease, and then I'm going back in with Zim on the end of where I just cut my crease, and then I'm placing Love next to it, which is the pink from the same palette, and just blending it into Zim.
Fall in love with you, and I answer them, I tell them, say not you. Right now you come and then you play me for a fool. Out here wondering, waiting not to.
For the lid, we're using the shade Aroused, and I'm using the same flat brush that I used to cut my crease, and then going in with a smaller flat brush to fill in the top part of our cut crease so that we don't go over the line where we just cut.
Holy water, quench this fire.
I'm priming my face with my Revolution Priming Base Water, and for foundation I mix my Black Opal and Bobbi Brown foundation, and I'm just going to buff that in on my Morphe Y6 foundation brush and then further blend it in with the sponge.
So pour me water, some holy water, quench this fire. Yeah, so pour me water, holy water, quench this fire.
Say you be more than flame, more than fire, hard to explain.
To conceal, I'm using my Black Opal Under Eye Concealer, and then I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray before blending it out because it helps me blend on my concealer better and it keeps my face hydrated.
If you left me, you lose God, cause I've been through hell and I'm still on fire, so
pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cause I would start to hate if I ever leave, oh. Look what that kind of me to go far away, far away.
To set my face, I'm using my usual black opal finishing powder, and I'm just setting the areas that I placed concealer.
She did with the sun. I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance.
I'm using the Jacqueline Guido contour palette to contour my face, and then I'm going in with blush from Avon and just placing that on my cheeks.
Baby, you want me? No. Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. Paparazzi story. So brother man go got the liver. Call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover.
For highlight, I'm using my strobe highlighter from Makeup Revolution on my Morphe R36 brush and just placing it on the high points of my cheeks, cupid bow, nose and chin.
Yeah. She said give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance.
And now it's time to finish off the eyes. I'm placing Dahlia from the Masquerade palette under my eyes, and then I'm going in with Giza, I don't know guys, from the same palette and placing that in my inner corner.
Music for the garden. Oh baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Yeah. Pour me water, holy water. Yeah.
For lips, I'm using the dark brown pencil I used to fill in my brows, and I'm just outlining my lips and then filling them in with my MAC lipstick in the shade Shy Girl and placing a gloss from Rimmel London in the shade Cosmic over.
One day you played me for a fool, out here wondering, waiting not to. So pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Yeah. Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire.
And that's it guys. I'm just going to set my face and then I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Bye.
This thing you do me and I do me come cool. This song I sing up and I have been for you. Yeah. So pour me water, some holy water, quench this fire. Yeah. So pour me water, holy water, quench this fire.
Say you be more than flame, more than